Hello students, welcome back. Today we will continue with exercise 7.9. Okay, in our last video we had completed till question number 13 of 7.9. Okay, today we will start with question number 14. Okay, so we had already started definite integration in 7.8 exercise. We had done the sums to do based on limit of sum. Okay, and now in this exercise, we are using the direct method. Okay, so let's start with question number 14. Question number 14 is integration 0 to 1, 2x plus 3 upon 5x square plus 1 dx. Okay, now see, these are the some similars that we had done in previous exercise. The only difference is at that time we were having indefinite, means there was no lower and upper limit. So we will use the same method. Finally, just put the value of lower limit and upper limit. Okay, so what we can do here, we can separate it. So see here, 0 to 1, 2x upon 5x square plus 1 dx plus 0 to 1, 3 upon 5x square plus 1 dx. See, I have separated it. Clear? You can also do directly like this way, plus 3 upon 5x square plus 1 dx. Clear? So now see here, we will separate in next step. So what happened? 5x square plus 1. So if I take derivative, it will be 10x. Clear? So I'm having 2. What I will do? I will multiply by 2, 5, divide by 5. So now 0 to 1, divide by 5, multiply by 5. So 5 2s are 10x upon 5x square plus 1 dx plus 3 constant 1 upon c x square plus a square. So what I will do, root 5x whole square plus 1 square dx 0 to 1. This is the formula for tan inverse. Clear? And this f dash x upon fx. So this will be log of fx 1 by 5 log of 5x square plus 1 plus this will be 1 by a, means a is 1, tan inverse x. What is x? Root 5x by a is 1. Okay, and as x is multiplied by root 5, I will put it here, 0 to 1. Clear? Now I will just put the lower limit and upper limit. 1. So it will be 5 into 1, 1 square 1, 5 plus 1, 6, minus log 5 0 to 0 plus 1, 1. And we know that the value of log 1 is 0. Yeah? So now 3 by root 5, tan inverse. Root 5 into 1, that is root 5, minus tan inverse 0. We know that tan inverse 0 is 0. So this will be equal to 1 by 5 log 6 plus 3 by root 5 tan inverse root 5. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 14. Clear? What I have done, I have just separated it and then solve it and finally put the lower limit and upper limit. Clear? Okay, now let's move to the next, that is question number 15. Question 15 is 0 to 1 x e raised to x dx. Okay, it's 0 to 1 x e raised to x square. Okay, so what I will do, I will assume x square, so 2x dx. Let x square equal to t, that implies 2x dx equal to dt. That implies x dx equal to dt by 2. Now see here, when we are assuming there is a small change here. In indefinite integration, what we are doing in the final answer, we were replacing t with x square. But now, as we are having the limit, we will not do it. We can also do that thing also. That replace the value of t as x square and put lower limit and higher limit. But a better option is just replace the lower limit and higher limit. Means here it is 0. So if x is equal to 0, that implies t equal to 0 square 0. Higher limit. When x equal to 1, t equal to 1 square 1. So we will replace it. Okay, it's a just coincidence that here the value of x and t are same. Okay, but every time it would not be. So replace it this. So I will be equal to 0 to 1 instead of x dx dt 1 by 2 instead of e raised to x square e raised to t. Now what is integration of e raised to t? It's e raised to t. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 e raised to t 0 to 1. I will just put the value e raised to 1 minus e raised to 0. Now we know that whenever the power is 0, the resultant answer will be equal to 1. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 e minus 1. Okay, so just go through question number 14 and 15. Okay, now let's move to the next question. That is question number 16. Okay, question number 16 is integration of 1 to 2 phi x square upon x square plus 4x plus 3 dx. So now see here the degree of the polynomial in numerator and denominator is same. So what we will do, we will divide it. See, phi x square and here it is x square plus 4x plus 3. So into 5. So it will be 5x square plus 5 4s are 20x plus 5 3s are 15. So minus minus minus, this will get cancelled. Minus 20x minus 15. Okay. So instead of 5x square, I can write it down here. This will be equal to, let's first solve this one. 5x square upon x square plus 4x plus 3 will be equal to 5 plus minus 20x minus 15 upon x square plus 4x plus 3. Okay, if I take this minus sign common, it will be plus 20x plus 15. Okay, so now integration of 5 will be 5x. Now how will we solve this? This we will use the method ax plus b. Okay, see this x square minus 4x plus 3, I can write it down. Okay, when I will split it, okay, when I will factorize it, it's 4x. So 3 ones are, so x plus 3, x plus 1. So now this, I am solving it, 20x plus 15, x plus 3, x plus 1 equal to a upon x plus 3, b upon x plus 1. Okay, see, I'm just solving this part. Clear? So 20x plus 15, a into x plus 1, b into x plus 3. So when I take this 0 means x equal to minus 1, 20 into minus 1, minus 20 plus 15. So minus 5. This will be equal to, this will be 0. B minus 1 plus 3, that is 2. That implies B equal to minus 5 by 2. Clear? Now when I'm taking this 0 means x equal to minus 3. 20 into minus 3 minus 60 plus 15. So this will be minus 45. A into, okay, it's minus 3 plus 1. So it's minus 2. So A will be equal to 45 by 2. Clear? So this I can write it down. A means 45 by 2 upon x plus 3 minus 5 by 2 upon x plus 1. Okay, instead of we have root minus 5 by 2. So now our integral will be equal to integration of 1 to 2, okay, 5 minus, so this 45 by 2 upon x plus 3, it's minus, so minus 45 by 2 upon x plus 3 minus 5 by 2 minus minus plus 5 by 2 upon x plus 1 dx. Clear? So integration of y is 5x minus log 45 by 2 log x plus 3 plus 5 by 2 log x plus 1 1 to 2. Clear? So now we'll put the value of upper limit and lower limit. So first let's put upper limit. 5 to the 10 minus 45 by 2. It's log, so 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5 by 2 log 3 minus 5 and 5 minus 45 by 2 log 4 plus 5 by 2 log 1 plus 1 2. Clear? So now 10 minus 5, this will be equal to 5. In this both term minus 45 by 2 minus minus plus. So 45 by 2 common. Okay, this will be log 5. Okay, minus minus plus should be minus log 4 plus 5 by 2 log 3 minus plus minus log 2. So this will be 5 minus 45 by 2 log its subtraction, so it will be division 5 by 4 plus 5 by 2 log subtraction division 3 by 2. I can take 5 by 2 common here. So this will be equal to 5 minus 5 by 2. So it will be 9 log 5 by 4 plus, see, as it is minus sign we have taken common, it will be minus log 3 by 2. Clear? So this was question number 16. Clear? So I'm repeating what I had done. As the degree was same, you know that when the degree is same, what we are doing, we will divide it. So I had divided it. Okay, the quotient was 5, so it's 5 minus, I have taken minus common, so it's plus. Now this I have used a plus b, okay, integration by partial fraction. Okay, I put the value of a and b and then I have integrated and put the lower limit and upper limit. Clear? So just go through this question. This question can be asked in 4 marks. Okay, so go through this question. Okay, so now let's move to the next question, that is question number 17. Question number 17 is 0 to 4, 2 x square x plus x square plus 2. Okay, this is very simple. Integration of x square x, 10x. Integration of x square, x cube by 3. Integration of 2, 2x, 0 to 4. Clear? So just put the value. 2, 10, 4 plus 4 cube by 3 plus 4 to, okay, that is a mistake. It's pi by 4. Sorry. It's pi by 4. So the question says pi by 4. So now it's 2, 10, pi by 4 plus pi cube upon 3 into 4 cube. This is pi by 4 cube plus 2 pi by 4 minus, now I put 0, here I put 2 times 0 plus 0 plus 2 into 0, 0. So this will be equal to 10 pi by 4, 1. So it's 2 plus pi cube. So 4 cube into 3, that is 4, 4, 16, 64 into 2. It's 4 cube. So 4, 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64 into 3. Sorry, the question here is x cube. One more mistake. So it will be x raised to 4 by 4. So pi cube 4 raised to 4. So it's 16, 64, 200. It will be 1024. pi raised to 4 upon 1024. Okay, 4 raised to 4, that is 4 into 4, 4 into 4 16, 16 4 the 64. Okay, 64 into 4, that is 256, into 3, that is 1024, plus 2 pi by 4. We know that the value of tan 0 is 0, 0, 0. So this is the answer. It's pi by 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the answer will be pi by 2. So the answer is 2 plus pi raised to 4 upon 1024 plus pi by 2. Clear? Let's move to the next question. 18 0 to pi sine square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 dx. Okay, we know the formula that cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x. But here it is sin square. So what I will do, I will take minus common. So this will be cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 dx. Okay, so now this is formula for cos 2x. But as it is here x by 2, it will be cos x. 0 to pi minus cos x dx. What is the integration of cos x? Sin x minus sin x 0 to pi. I'll just put the value sin pi minus sin 0. The value of sin pi is 0 and value of sin 0 is 0. So answer will be equal to 0. Clear? Okay. And let's go to the next one. 19 integration 0 to 2 6x plus 3 x square plus 4. Okay, it's just simple. I will separate it. 6x upon x square plus 4 plus 3 upon x square plus 4. Okay, so let's separate it. 6x upon x square plus 4 dx 3 upon x square plus 4 dx. Now when you will see that x square plus 4, its derivative is 2x. In numerator I have 6x, so I can take 3 common. 3 into 2x, so it will be 6x. This is f dash x, this is fx. So the answer will be log. Okay, let me put here limit. This will be 3 log of x square plus 4 0 to 2 plus 3 constant outside. Now 1 upon x square plus 4, that is tan inverse. This is x and this a is equal to 2. I can write down this 4 as 2 square. So x 1 by a, what is a? 2. Tan inverse x by a, what is x? X by 2, 0 to 2. I am taking the constant term outside. So now this will be equal to 3 log 2 square means 4 plus 4, 8 minus log 0 square 0, 4 plus 3 by 2, tan inverse 2, 2 by 2, that is 1 minus tan inverse 0. So now this will be equal to 3 log 8 by 4. So this will be equal to 8 by 4, 2 plus 3 by 2. We know that the value of tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 and tan inverse 0 is 0. So the answer is pi by 4. So 3 log 2 plus 3 pi by 8. This is the answer for question 19. You can also take this in the power log 2 cube, that is log 8. Okay, but you can also write on this 3 log 2 plus 3 pi by 8. So go through question number 17, 18 and 19. Okay, now let's move to the next question, that is question number 20. Integration of 0 to 1 x e raised to x plus sine pi by 4x dx. Okay, so what we can do, we can separate it. One is x e raised to x, another is sine pi by 4x. So 0 to 1 x e raised to x dx, 0 to 1 sine pi by 4x dx. Clear? So now see here, this is the method of UV. So what was it? U as it is, X as it is. Integration of V. What is integration of e raised to X? E raised to X minus integration of d by dx of U means d by dx of X is 1. Integration of V, integration of e raised to X is e raised to X dx. Okay, I am putting the limit here 0 to 1 plus integration of sine is minus cos, so I will take minus cos pi by 4x. Now x is multiplied by pi by 4, so I will take pi by 4. Clear? Okay, I have taken pi by 4. So now let's solve for this. X e raised to x minus. Again, integration of e raised to x is e raised to x 0 to 1. I am taking this minus for constant outside. Okay, here also it's 0 to 1. Clear? So now first let's put the value of 1. So cos pi by 4 into 1, that is cos pi by 4. I am also taking pi constant outside. Minus 4 by pi I have taken outside. So cos pi by 4 minus cos 0. Clear? So now here 1 into e raised to 1 minus e raised to 1. Clear? 1 e raised to 1 minus e raised to 1 minus 0. 0 into e raised to 0, as it is 0 multiplied by 0, so 0 minus e raised to 0, that is 1, or else let me write down 0 minus 4 by pi cos pi by 4 1 by root 2. The value of cos 0 is 1. Clear? So e raised to 1, e raised to 1 cancel, minus minus plus, and e raised to 0 is 1. Minus minus plus, and e raised to 0 is 1. Minus 4 by pi. Okay, now 1 by root 2 minus 1. So what I can do, I can take LCM 1 minus root 2 upon root 2. Clear? Okay, so 1 minus 4 by pi into 1 minus root 2 upon root 2. Clear? Or else I can multiply it. Minus 4 by root 2. Okay, let me check the rearrangement. Yes. Minus root 2 pi minus minus plus 4 by pi. So now it's root 2. So it will be equal to 2 root 2. So 1 minus 2 root 2 by pi plus 4 by pi. Okay. So instead of taking LCM, I have just multiplied 4 by pi into this bracket. And this is your answer. See here, we had separated it. And this we had done by method of UV. And finally put the upper limit and lower limit. Clear? So this was 20. Clear? Now 21 and 22 both are similar question. 21, it's 1 to root 3 dx upon 1 plus x square dx, and 22 0 to 2 by 3 dx upon 4 plus 9x square. Both are similar question, both are MCQ. Here will be tan inverse. Okay, and then you convert this, it will be 2 square plus 3x whole square. So this will be also tan inverse. Okay, integration of 1 upon a square plus x square. So these two sums I am giving you for your self. Clear? So now first just look at question number 20. Okay, so that's it for today. Here we complete exercise 7.9. In our next video, we'll start with exercise 7.10. Okay, thank you.